Non, quand tu dis là, il est poterie, non.
Tu drop. As good as inorganic fertilizer may be, it is also very harmful to the crop and also to we humans who consume some of the crops that farmers use the inorganic fertilizer on and we consume. So this is one of the challenges that we face in agriculture. I am going to be teaching you how to go about organic fertilizer, which is also referred to as compost making. In agriculture, as educated students, how should we go about handling some of these challenges we face? We went to school because we intend to solve majority of the problems, if not all, that we face in agriculture. And how should we go about solving this inorganic application of fertilizer to our crops problem? The simple solution to that is this: we came about, or we devised a means whereby we go about the making of compost manure. And what are compost manure? This is just a decomposition of some of the organic matters that we use in our homes. We have kitchen waste, we have our poultry dungs, we have fruit waste. You can gather all these things in market and you can go about making of compost manure. And I am going to be taking you on some of the simple process on how you can go about making of compost manure and apply it to your plants, and they will do extremely well. This is an organic fertilizer that is not harmful to the environment. It is not harmful to humans who also consume these crops, and it is not harmful when you consume them. So, step one. All right. So the first step to go about this is you are going to dig a hole. And why do you dig a hole? It's going to be a hole that should be in square meters. This is a simple example of the kind of hole. Why you dig it, you have to cover it round because of the sag. Because we have two types of compost. We have aerobic and anaerobic. So this is an example of an anaerobic compost. So you have to surround the floors of the pit that you make with a nylon so that there will be no penetration of air inside. So after doing that, the compost manure we're going to use, we have examples of, we have kitchen waste, we have poultry waste, we have fruit waste, we have vegetable waste, we have dry leaves. These are some of the examples of things you can use. So anything you are using should be in a ratio of 3:1. 3 dry matter, 1 organic matter. So the example of the organic matter is going to be either fruits or any other organic matter that is going. So this is an example of fruit vegetable. This is watermelon that has been spoiled. That is orange that has been raw. If you notice, we have to split the orange, dissect it into sections that is going to be good for and make it ready for decomposition. You can see the way they are mixing it in a ratio of 3:1. What makes us unique as educated students is that when a challenge arises while we are practicing our farm, we provide a solution to also give rise to the solution to the product. So compost manure helps in reduction of cost of production of our crops. It helps in reduction of our